Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you through how to make video longer in Canva. To extend your video length in Canva, first of all open your Canva on your browser and then select a video. Now you can either create a video or upload a video. Once you do that, you can see plus button on the right side of your video. Simply hit on that. Now you have extended your video by 4.7 seconds. You can also change the time frame. You can increase it or decrease it. When you play the video, at last you will see a black screen for 12 seconds now. So in this way you can increase your video length. You can also change the black screen to any color you want by simply selecting that video, and on the top you will see an option of black. Now change the color. So in this very easy step you can easily extend your video length in Canva. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.